open up. And we just repeat for 3 minutes total, so another couple of minutes. Inhale. Spread the fingers wide as the arms come down. So it's an inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, in, out, in, out. Tongue on the roof of the mouth. About what this symbolically means to you, presenting something to the heart, pushing what you don't need away. It's your exhalation. Inhale, open up the space for the new to come in, and exhale, complete the circle. Okay, make this the last one. Rest your palms in your lap. Right in the left. Palm tips touching. Meditate on the heart chakra, lift the chest, lift the spine, lengthen the neck as though someone had got a little string in a hook through your head and you're just lifting yourself up. Okay, good. So come and sit in easy pose. So easy pose just like this. Lotus pose is a more stable posture, but it doesn't have to be like that. We'll do 3 minutes. Sat-ka-ta. Sat-ka-ta. And we go this way. Sat-ka-ta. Sat-ka-ta. As though you're pushing against a wall as you go out. So sat here, halfway out. Ka-ta. Sat-ka-ta. Sat-ka-ta. Satkata, 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 Satkata. Inhale. Pull on the pelvic floor, the root lock, and push into the heels of your hands. Keep your fingers up at 90. Lock tight. Focus your attention